Here is this medium-sized 3D printer enclosure that we got, and it is a lot bigger than I anticipated. So here's a standard size milk jug for reference. This is the medium size. It is about 28.7 inches tall, so about almost 2.5 feet by about 2 feet. And then in the front here, it's 21.6 inches, so just under 2 feet. And the large size is about half a foot bigger on each dimension. And so this is really large. I don't think many of you will need the large size. This is the medium one. So if your 3D printer is less than 3 milk jugs deep and less than almost 3 milk jugs wide and about 3 milk jugs tall, then you will have plenty of room with this medium size.